Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We've got a glass window which is 3 by 3 meters. It has a thickness of 0.6 centimeters. The inner surface of the glass is 15 degrees Celsius. The outer surface is 7 degrees Celsius. The thermoconductivity of the glass is 0.78 watts per meter per degree Celsius. We want to find the total heat loss over an 11-hour period. We want the units to be in kilojoules. We also want to figure out the heat loss if the thickness is doubled to 1.2 centimeters. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a plane of glass that is 3 by 3 meters. We've got the internal temperature and the external temperature, and we got the thickness of the glass. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So we're trying to find heat, which is Q. So step 3, find the heat formula. So Q is heat, which is equal to Q dot, and that's capital Q. So that's the heat transfer rate multiplied by the change in time, which is 11 hours. Okay, so the time's given. We need to find the capital Q dot. So step 4, find the heat transfer formula. So in this case, it will be capital Q dot, and it will be the conduction because we've got a pane of glass and the heat is going through it. So it will be conduction. So K is the thermoconductivity, A is the area, T is temperature, so that is delta capital T, and L in this case will be the thickness. Okay, step 5, find the heat transfer rate. So we just plug and play. So here is our thermoconductivity, here's our area, our 3 by 3, and then we've got 16 minus 7 degrees Celsius, and then for our thickness, we convert our 0.6 centimeters to meters, so we divide that by 1,000. So we will get 10,530 watts. So now we can backtrack and find the heat. So that will be 10.53 kilojoules per second. So what they did is they converted the watts to kilojoules per second. So 1 watt is equal to 1 kilojoule per second. So it's a 1-to-1 conversion. Okay. And then we have 11 hours, but we want it to be in seconds, so we can cancel out the second unit. So 11 multiplied by 3,600 seconds, because that's how many seconds in 1 hour. So you'll get 416,988 kilojoules of heat. If the thickness is doubled to 1.2 centimeters, then the amount of heat transferred will go down by half to 208,494 kilojoules. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on the video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool. Wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Click the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so you probably won't be able to find it, or they won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.